In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive an email in Microsoft Outlook. If you've archived an email and now need it back in your main inbox, don't worry. Outlook makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find that archived message and move it back so it's easier to access again. Start by going to your Outlook inbox dashboard. This is your main mail screen where you normally see incoming messages, folders, and the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Before doing anything else, make sure you're fully loaded into the mailbox view, because that's where you'll be able to access your archived emails. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand column and click on Archive. This folder stores emails that you've removed from the inbox without deleting them. It's useful for keeping your inbox tidy while still holding on to messages you may need later. When you open the archive folder, you should see the emails that have been stored there. Next, find the email you want to unarchive. When you hover your mouse over that message, a checkbox will appear. Click the unchecked checkbox to select the email. This step is important because Outlook needs you to select the message before it can apply any actions to it. If you accidentally click the email itself and open it, just go back to the archive folder and try again. After the email is selected, move your attention to the top row of options and click on Move To. This menu allows you to send the selected email to a different folder in your mailbox. Since the goal here is to unarchive the message, you'll want to send it back to the folder where you normally receive emails. From the Move To menu, click on Inbox. As soon as you do that, Outlook will move the email out of the archive folder and place it back in your inbox. That means the message is now unarchived and should appear alongside your other inbox emails. If you don't see it right away, give the inbox a moment to refresh or check the message list carefully, especially if your inbox is sorted by date or filtered in a certain way. And that's it. That's how to unarchive an email in Microsoft Outlook by opening the archive folder, selecting the email, using Move To, and sending it back to the inbox. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very quick process anytime you need to restore an archived message.